So if you've been wondering how to fix your squats so that you can squat lower and get more results in a shorter period of time, you're gonna wanna watch this video. So Callie's gonna demonstrate a few half reps of squats. And if you've been struggling to get your hips low as your knees, and that's what you're gonna have to do with squats if you wanna target your glutes, I'm gonna show you how to fix this. So go ahead and rack it up. Between sets, what you're gonna wanna do is get a dumbbell and you're gonna perform goblet squats. So to do this, you're gonna wanna have your feet a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. You're gonna slightly flare your toes to 1 and 11 o'clock. You're gonna hold the weight up. And when you perform this movement, you're gonna drop down. And as you can see, come back up. Her hips are getting low as her knees. The dumbbell's forcing her to push her knees out over her toes. Boom, and now she's practicing proper squat form. So I'm gonna take this dumbbell, and now immediately she's gonna do her next set of squats. And this is a way to train your body to move in a proper squat form. As you see, she had the knees over the toes, hips getting low as the knees, everything looks good. So, hope this video helps. Make sure you tag a friend who needs some help with their squats, and I'll see you at the gym soon.